Hello everyone. This is Ahmad from ENTOPDBA. Today I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted table. Let's say you are a DBA and working in a company and the development teams, some of them has access to the test table. And that test table, you have some records and data, and the development team, one of them, by incidentally or by mistake, is gonna drop that table, and then the development teams they will approach the DBA and say, "Hey, you know what? By mistake, I have dropped this table and I lost my data, and I don't know how to." Bring it back or how to recover my lost data. So you as a DBA would need to recover and restore that drop table. So no worries, today I'm gonna show you how you can recover the deleted table. So you can bring it back the table and say to the development team, you know what, you have your data back and you can try it. So let's try it. I'm gonna show you step by steps. First, I'm gonna create one table. Let's say test, and then we're gonna work on this table. So I'm gonna create the first table. Okay. So the table is created. I'm gonna insert one row. Okay, one row inserted, and let's see the data inside that. Okay. So here we go. So the name is Ahmad, and this is the address of me, and the state of where I live is Texas. So someone from the development teams, let's say by mistake, they're gonna drop the table, drop table test. So they're gonna drop it, table test drop. And at this point, the development teams is gonna approach the DBA and let's see, they have no access to the table and even they drop the table or view does not exist. At this point, they will approach the DBA and asking to recover that tables. So what you can do as a DBA, you can recover that table by using this command flashback table hr.test to before drop. Let's try this and let's see if we can bring it back that table. Flashback succeed. And now let's try. We're gonna select if the data or the drop table is backed. We got our data. So this is the way you can recover the drop table if someone by mistake drops some table. So this is the command that you can use flashback table hr.test to before drop. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. Thank you, and see you in the next videos.